Hi. Thanks for taking on the administration of this project. Mary and I are part of the steering committee here at Macville, Brisbane. We oversee any projects or events being run here. We'll give you as much project detail as we can and ask you to come back to us with a concept plan for the project.
Yes, and as Seamus has mentioned, the concept plan will help us check that you have the correct understanding of Macville's need for this project. When we are happy with your concept plan, we'll give you the go-ahead to fully develop the project plan. The objective of this project is to sign up coffee retailers to a new coffee blend that Macville is intending to release to market in 2 to 3 months' time. We are aiming to compete against existing blends like Merlot, Vittoria, Lavazza. And we need to establish a presence in the market as soon as possible. Note that the product launch will need to be at an interesting venue.
Like the City Mercedes showroom. Or Valley BMW showroom, or a similar upmarket venue not typically associated with the hospitality industry. The overall goal is to launch Macville's new coffee blend.
Thank you, Seamus. We've already teed up the winner of this year's barista competition, but you'll need to allocate a $1,500 gratuity for them from your overall projected budget of $12,500. You'll also need to fly them business class from Sydney, organize some accommodation for them for the evening. We normally put our guests up at the Marriott, which is about $250 for the night with breakfast. We'll also supply the benches, fridges, grinders and coffee machines for the launch.
From memory, I think business class tickets are about $600 each way. Not that I've ever flown business.
Yes, thank you once again, Seamus. The key things you will need to consider for this project are firstly organizing the venue and hospitality, although obviously not coffee. Then overseeing the development and printing of marketing materials and mailouts. Finally, to see that as many coffee retailers as possible can be in attendance. Our quick research has estimated there are over 500 coffee shops in the Greater Brisbane area that currently buy pre-roasted blends.
Some of the key points or phases we see for this project are that the venue is organized and that the advertising materials are developed and distributed. One of the things you should check with the venue you organize is that they are not under contract to another coffee supplier.
Also, we should point out that you will have complete access to one of the marketing team's document designers. 2 administrative assistants have been assigned to the project, and both are skilled in general office duties. One of the administrative assistants has very high interpersonal skills and is particularly skilled in interacting with clients on the telephone.
Macville will provide you with a full product brief and description for the new coffee blend, but please note that much of it is confidential until the evening of the launch. Your marketing materials should aim to hype up the new brand Villiana and must be signed off by the marketing department, who will ensure that the sensitive information is not released early.
As the steering committee, we will need to sign off on major stages of the project, and the marketing department will also want both input and sign off for any marketing materials to be used. We'll expect weekly progress reports and a supplementary report that we can pass on to the Macville board when you achieve completion of each stage of the project. To clarify the budget, you'll need to report on at least the following items and any others that need to be included. Printing of marketing materials. Cost of mail out. Cost of administrative follow-up, measured in work days. Cost of flights for barista. Cost of accommodation for barista. Cost of venue, broken into deposit, post-event cleaning costs and final payment. Cost of catering for finger food and waiters. Cost of 500-gram bags of Villiana to be given away as samples to attendees. This is an in-house cost, but must be planned for to ensure sufficient samples on-site for launch.
Finally, as you're developing the concept, take note of any barriers you think are going to present in the course of this project.
Thanks for your time today, and get back to us within the week with the project concept outline.